Hi, today I am talking about smoothies. Every day I give my family members a smoothie to take to work or to take to school. I could buy smoothies from the supermarket, but it would cost me far too much money and it would create a lot of plastic waste. It would damage the environment and I do not want to damage the environment. I should make my own smoothies because it costs a lot less money and it saves a lot of plastic. So what I do is I buy smoothies from the supermarket every few months and I reuse the plastic bottles. If we are talking about the present, what happens normally, what is happening now, and we are looking at options that are possible, then we use modal verbs could, should, would, and might. I could buy the smoothies from the supermarket. The smoothies might taste better than mine, but I would use a lot more plastic and I would spend a lot of money. So I should make my own. If I made my smoothies myself, then I would save a lot of money. The word made contains two words, would and make. If I made my smoothies myself, I would save a lot of money and I would not use as much plastic. If I bought my smoothies from the supermarket every day, I would create a lot of plastic waste and I would spend a lot of money. We can't say, if I make my own smoothie, I would save. Then we say, if I make my own smoothies, then I will save a lot of money. When we are talking about the past and we give ourselves options, we use modals of lost opportunity. It is just would have, should have, might have, could have. So when we are talking about an option that we had in the past that we didn't take, we lost the opportunity to do something, then we use could have or should have or might have or would have. I bought this smoothie yesterday. I should have made my own. I would have saved myself a lot of money and I might have liked my smoothie more. I have already bought some smoothies. I should have made them myself. I would have saved money. I could have spent the money on a day out. I might have enjoyed my smoothies more. I hope you found this lesson useful. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye for now.